Alright, so due to unfortunate events, I will have to fix my Jaguar engine instead of replacing it. So I'm going to start by cleaning up the aluminum intake manifold and throttle body. Make them shine. Alright guys, so what I used to clean my throttle body was well, it was severely caked. It was like, you can kind of see some gunk, slight residue left behind. Really not that bad compared to what it started as. If you see down that hole right there, you get a little glimpse at what it was. But really cleaned up really nicely with minimal effort. I mean, it was 25 years worth of carbon buildup. You can see a glimpse of what, I mean, that's still much cleaner than it was. But 25 years, 180,000 miles of buildup. And well, I just used this stuff right here, Walmart, $6 a can, heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner by Armor All. Spray it on, if it's blue it foams. Sprayed it on, let it turn white, scrubbed it with a toothbrush for a little bit, cleaned it off with a paper towel and sprayed on some more. Repeated the process twice, and then, you know, I mean, you can kind of see where it's still kind of gummy. I haven't yet to clean out, but that's all pretty good. I mean, probably clean that sensor out there a little bit. It looks pretty gross in there, but whatever. I mean, oh shit, this is a Ford product? What the weird. This comes off of a Jaguar before they were bought by Ford, so it's interesting. But yeah, this stuff here works wonders. Sprayed it on the intake manifold as well, cleaned that out perfectly. Now I just gotta put the car back together.